Enterprise search allows you to see all data related to your search criteria in different areas of the system. Let's assume a customer called you and you want to see their information. You can just type the customer's name in here and click search. On the right side of the window, you will see all the documents for that customer. You can select to see 10, 20, or 40 per page, and you can select which page you want to go to. If you place your mouse in one of these documents, it will show you more information like items, quantities, and so on. If you click in it, it will open the document. The left side shows you all the objects in SAP and the number of transactions. This will help you to narrow down your search. For example, if you want to see only AR invoices, you can click in here and it will only show you AR invoices in here. You can narrow it down even more if you want to select or deselect these options in here. For example, I choose not to see the closed ones and it will narrow down. I only have 55 results now. If you want to go to see the full information again, you just have to click all.